In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a TRX reverse fly. So a reverse fly works primarily the muscles of the back of your shoulder, so the rear deltoid. Typically it's done with a dumbbell, but we can also do it with the TRX. So when I do my demonstration on the TRX, I'm going to be side onto the camera. So I'm going to quickly show you what it looks like front onto the camera. So what I want you to do is imagine you've got the TRX handles on both hands, okay? So in each hand, you're grabbing the TRX handle. You're gonna have your arms extended, and you're also gonna have your arms completely straight. So your hand should be in line with your shoulder. From this position, I want you to imagine you're keeping your elbows completely straight as you pull out and away. When you do that, you're gonna try and keep your back nice and straight, so you're not gonna cheat by bringing your torso forward as you bring your arms back. And this is going to work those muscles at the back of the shoulder. So hopefully that's where you're feeling it. Now, how we set up the TRX is you're going to have the TRX handles just below the hip bone. So find your hip bone at the front of the hip, bring the TRX handles just below. Place your hands on the foam handles of the TRX and make sure you're in center line with the TRX. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to extend your arms, keeping your eye line looking at where the TRX is suspended from. And you can create a harder exercise by coming in and creating a more abrasive angle, or you can make it an easier exercise by being more upright. So that's how you progress this exercise, by creating a more abrasive angle. So from here, what I'm going to do is once I've got my angle, feet are hip width apart, I'm trying to keep my body diagonal, but also in that neutral position. You don't want the hips too low or too high. And from here, you're going to come into that T position, slowly back to your start position, and back to the T position. So your finished position is there and your start position is here. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that's how to do a reverse fly on a TRX.